Okay, this is going to be a 38 special bullet catch. It's going to be 130 grain, standard pressure, some kind of Winchester ammo. Let's see what we got.
Hell yeah.
I think I might have got that one.
Yep, that was a nice shot.
Looks like it made it into the fourth jug. It's leaking it up. Let's see what we got.
Who the fuck out of that?
Right? That's what I'm saying. Look at this back end. Shit got popped up. Oh. Caught the round right there in the fourth jug.
Very nice.
Made it pretty far. Let's try to save some of this water. Alright. Let's see what we got. Check it out. Perfect. Perfect little star.
Very nice.
Good old 38. Perfect mushroom. I didn't think this stuff was gonna work. Sweet.
Hell
Did
yeah.
work. Keeping
Fuck
it real.
Good shot.
Yeah.